The entire crypto market has seen much better days. Bitcoin has been taking quite a beating over the past 24 hours, and as expected, altcoins are following suit. However, if you look at these charts, you might see that now might be a great opportunity for accumulating great crypto projects. The opportunity to make generational wealth happens in bear markets. When things are scary, when great altcoins are on a dip, you should be looking for and accumulating great projects. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 9 great crypto projects. 3 high caps, 3 mid caps, and 3 low cap gems that are worth accumulating for the next bull run. The first project on my list today is one that is full of strong utility and a focus on interoperability, and that's Quant. Quant is one of my favorite high cap gems, and I believe it has a lot of potential to make great returns, and sitting at these prices at $115 might be a big deal. This is a project that I honestly believe can be easily worth $5,000 to $10,000, which is an easy 40 to 100x from this point. Quant has 81% of its very limited supply in circulation. This is a project with 14 million tokens, even less than Bitcoin, and out of the 14 million, 12 million tokens are already in circulation. Now imagine holding a piece of this. Imagine holding 10 pieces of Quant. This is a great project, and I think it's very easy now to hold it, especially if you look at what Quant is doing. Quant has an overledger operating system that allows different blockchains to interact with each other. The focus on interoperability makes Quant an attractive project to many other crypto projects, and not just crypto projects but financial institutions outside the crypto space. This is a project that is also regulatory compliant, so if there's going to be an issue with how the crypto markets can interact with financial institutions, banks, and so on, Quant is solid in that regard. I really believe this project will do very well in the long term, and a strong use case has cemented how well it will do in the future, in my opinion. Quant bridges the gap that exists between different blockchains. The backbone of the project is the overledger network, which Quant builds as the ecosystem on which the future digital economy ecosystem will be built. I've made several videos on Quant, and you can watch any of them to get a better idea of why I believe this project will do very well in the long term. Moving on is another great project that I've covered, and I believe is an excellent smart contract cryptocurrency project that's adaptable, has liquid staking, and true governance. That's Tezos. I really love Tezos. I believe this project is going to do extremely well in the long term, and it's sitting at a market cap of less than $1 billion. For a smart contract project which can easily develop dApps and adapt, is a smart contract project that doesn't need hard forks to be able to evolve and make new changes to the system. I really love these features of Tezos. Its proof of stake consensus mechanism also means it's more energy efficient and future proof in terms of the energy issues that arise with a lot of crypto projects. So Tezos is a blockchain network that's based on smart contracts in a way that's not so dissimilar to Ethereum. However, and this is important because every project should have a unique selling point, however, there's a big difference. Tezos aims to offer infrastructure that is more advanced, meaning it can evolve and improve over time without there ever being a danger of a hard fork. And I really believe this is what makes Tezos such a great project. If there's an issue, like when Ethereum wanted to move over from proof of work to proof of stake, something major and big can be easily done on Tezos because of the way it has been created, because of the way this blockchain has been designed. It can easily evolve and adapt without needing any hard fork. So I love this project, and it's at a very low market cap for what it's doing. A great smart contract project. The next project is another smart contract cryptocurrency project that I believe will do very well, and that's Algorand. 71% in circulation, deflationary, and sitting at a market cap of $1.4 billion. This is a high cap gem that in the next bull run will also do very well. At its peak, Algorand was over $11 billion. That's over a 10x from this point, and yeah, I believe this project can easily achieve that by the next bull run. So why I love all of these peaks here, why I love all of the high cap gems, is because they are great projects with reward utility that is adoption, and they also provide a great opportunity for earning. I mean, a 10x is a pretty sweet deal if you're investing for the long term. So we're moving on to the mid-cap category, and there are several great projects that are deep here. The first one on my list is SingularityNet. SingularityNet is going to be the leading AI project on the blockchain, and why I love this project is not just using AI, but it's pushing the entire AI narrative forward. Singularity Net is sitting at a market cap less than $500 million, so it's why it's in the mid-cap category, and I really believe this project has a lot more room for growth. People have understood the need for AI, people have understood the usefulness, the efficiency, and how effective AI is, and they've understood also the need for AI to be decentralized, secure, and that's where projects like these come in. So Singularity Net is a great one, and it's got a wide ecosystem, different AI projects that they are building, and I really like the fact that it's leading the pack, it's leading the narrative when it comes to AI cryptocurrency within the crypto space. So I'm sure you know already by now that one of the leading members of the Singularity Net team is Dr. Benji, who was one of the minds behind Sophia robots, the most sophisticated robot out there. So that fact alone means the team behind this project is solid and they know what they're doing. They're going to go really far. The next project is another great one in a narrative I've been talking about for a very long time, and that's the Energy Web token. I love the Energy Web token because it's a very niche project, but it does it well. If you think about it, one of the major criticisms of cryptocurrencies and the crypto space is energy inefficiency. And there's a lot of energy talks out there, going green and making the world safer for future generations due to climate change and stuff like that. Well, the Energy Web token focuses on helping developers create dApps to track energy consumption and make sure people understand that energy is used efficiently, or how they can track it, making sure that it's used in a way they want. So the Energy Web token is the operational token behind the Energy Web chain, a blockchain-based virtual machine designed to support and further application development for the energy sector. I really love its niche use case. I really love the fact that the token has strong utility, and this is a great mid-cap gem. Like Singularity Net is also leading its narrative and will become a big deal. Even if people are not talking about it now, this is going to be a big deal in my opinion in the crypto space. The Energy Web token is definitely a project you should pay attention to, and I believe will do well. Next is another project that I really like because of its focus on development, and that's the Injective protocol. This is a blockchain tool that a lot of different crypto projects can use within the space, and that's a fact that I always look at when I'm investing into a project. Projects that builders within the crypto space will find useful. This means there's going to be a lot of utility. A lot of projects are going to want to use the Injective protocol. So the Injective protocol is an open interoperable layer 1 blockchain for building powerful DeFi applications. DeFi applications are a core aspect of the crypto space, and I believe projects that allow people to easily build them will do very well in the crypto space because they take the space forward. Injective uniquely provides plug-and-play financial infrastructure primitives such as high-performance on-chain decentralized exchange infrastructure, decentralized bridges, oracles, and a composable smart contract layer. So yeah, this is a great project, very useful, and we are going to move on quickly to the low-cap gems that I believe are worth accumulating. And the first one is Viot. Viot has seen far better days than what is happening to it right now, over 30% down in the past 7 days, and I believe this can be a good opportunity to accumulate some more if you're already within the project, or to start getting some exposure if you haven't done so already. Viot is a great project. I mean, it uses AI to create a virtual assistant, and I also like the fact that it's also a regulated crypto project. Viot enables both businesses and consumers to utilize a set of technologies called intelligent contracts. So this is a great project. It's a low cap AI crypto project, and it's sitting at a market cap of $18 million. This is a project that is going to be very useful to retail and institutions alike. It can be used for legal shopping or smart contracts within the crypto space or even outside it. So I really like Viot. It's a great project, and you can find it on KuCoin or Uniswap depending on which route you would like to take, a decentralized or a centralized route. The next project is another one with high utility, and I've talked about it several times. A low cap gem is XP Network. The XP Network is a great low cap gem that brings more utility to the NFT space. Projects that build NFT projects can easily port over from one blockchain to another. You might have noticed a lot of the projects I'm picking today have a very strong focus on interoperability, and I love the fact that the XP Network brings this interoperability to the NFT niche within the crypto space. Projects on Avalanche, projects on Polygon Network, projects on Binance Smart Chain can move their NFTs in a secure and decentralized manner from one blockchain to another. This is a very strong utility, and I believe this is a great project allowing this to happen. The XP network is the first blockchain agnostic NFT ecosystem. It enables multi-chain support out of the box for any minted NFTs, dApps, or use keys, allowing NFTs and funds to flow freely between networks and wallets. This is a great project, something that a lot of crypto projects are going to find useful, and you can easily buy it on PancakeSwap. So the last project is another great project with strong utility on a very attractive price right now, and that's the Mask network. Mask network is a decentralized browser with its own VPN, dApps, and many more features. So the Mask network is definitely a great low cap gem. I believe it has the potential to go much more higher, sitting at this market cap of 6.9 million. This is a project with no VC fundings, no seed rounds, completely community backed, and I believe this shows how strong the utility is able to attract this much investment without VC fundings. I believe this project will do very well. Mask combines the benefits of VPN and Tor technology to create a superior next generation privacy software where users are rewarded for supporting an uncensored global web. So, like I always say, Bitcoin pioneered decentralized finance, making borderless payment solutions, while the Mask network aims to create a decentralized internet, creating borderless browsing solutions. So, those are 9 crypto projects that I believe are worth accumulating on this dip. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below on any other project or topic you'd like me to cover, and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe and take care.